Hi learners, today we are going to be working with prefixes. We are going to be focusing on the prefixes un, in, dis, and miss. So let's first talk about a prefix. Even the word prefix has a prefix, and a prefix is the unit added to the beginning of a word that changes its meaning. So the prefix attaches onto a base word, and a base word is the word that the prefixes are added to. So the meaning changes with the base word. So our goal is to put our critical thinking hats on, and we are going to try to uncover the meaning of these prefixes. So our first word here is uneasy. Our base word is easy, meaning you're feeling good, you're feeling fine, you're not worried about much, you're probably in a good mood. But if you attach this word uneasy, if you attach the prefix uneasy means you're kind of worried, you're scared, you might have some anxiety or stress, you're uneasy. If we look at the base word aware, it means you know what's going on around you. But if you're unaware, it means you're kind of oblivious. You don't know what's happening. You don't know who's around you. Insincere. If we look at the base word sincere, sincere means truthful, honest, a good person. But if you're insincere, you're not honest. You don't follow through. You're insincere. Our next word is inexpensive. Our base word is expensive, meaning it costs a lot of money. So something's inexpensive, it means it's not expensive. It's not worth a lot of money, or it doesn't cost a lot of money. Our next word is honest. So if you're honest, our next word is dishonest. Our base word is honest. So being honest means you tell the truth. But if you're dishonest, you don't tell the truth. Our next word is disconnect. Our base word is connect. So if you're connected, you are paying attention, you're engaged, you're learning, you're a part of the process. But if you're disconnected, you're not part of the process. You are just out there. So if we look at this, also disconnect, think about the way if cords are connected and they disconnect, they're no longer connected. So based on those words, what do we think the prefix un, in, and dis means? Let's think about that. Un, in, and dis. What word did you hear me use a lot when I was telling you the definition of these words? Yeah, so the prefixes un, in, and dis all mean not. So not easy, not aware, not sincere, not expensive, not honest, not connected, okay? And then if we look at our last set, we see misbehave and misspell. Our base word here is behave. So if you behave, you have manners, you are polite. But if you misbehave, you don't follow the rules, you're not polite, you're not well behaved. And misspell here, so our base word is spell. If you misspell, you don't do something correctly, you do something badly, okay? So let's look at this. Were you able to uncover the meaning of the prefixes? So recognize how the prefixes un, dis, and miss change the meaning of the base word. And if you look up here, I have the base words underlined. The prefixes un, in, and dis all mean not. The prefix miss means badly or wrong, okay? So if we look at our words for this week, our goals are the following. So we are going to watch the video, which you are doing right now. You're then going to read through your word list. So un, meaning not, uneasy, unknown, untidy, in, insincere, invisible, inexpensive, dis, disease, disbelief, discourage, and misspell, misbehave, and misleading. Now you're going to highlight the prefix yellow and the base word green in each of these words. And then add words to the list that are not on the list already that follow the pattern. All right, I hope you learned a lot and you have a great week of spelling.